amigos, welcome back. It's been a while, I guess. Today's video, I'm only going to show you how I prepare my bag for my weekly snacks for work, and what my bag consists of, and what the snacks look like, and why I chose those snacks. I had an appointment with my dietitian earlier this week, and he implemented that it was super important to snack at least 2-3 hours apart. Sometimes not snacking causes the stalls, and I think I've hit my second stall. So I'm gonna try this out, because taking snacks on the daily, sometimes I forget, sometimes I don't snack, and well, that affects the weight loss process. So we're gonna see how it works, and I'm gonna show you how I prepare for it.
So this, guys, is my breakfast. I have one of these every morning. I love it because they're so delicious. Not only that, they have 10 grams of protein, which my dietitian approves, and it's only 80 calories. It comes in different flavors, but this is like the one I like. There's only 7 grams of sugar, which is perfect as per my dietitian. Anything below 7 grams is perfect. These right here are little bottles with a protein beverage from Herbalife. I like them because they have 0 sugar and they have 15 grams of protein, which is the best part. I'm a yogurt fan. I just love yogurt. This one right here, the coconut chocolate bliss, is my favorite one. But I am going to go ahead and try different flavors. One of the best things about this yogurt is that it still stays below those 7 grams of sugar that my dietitian recommends. This flavor is new to me. I'm going to try this one. And since I love cheesecake, I added this one to my week. I'm going to try it out. We'll see what happens. The little containers also contain collagen beauty booster, also from Herbalife, only because I've noticed a lot of hair loss, and this supplement has collagen and biotin, which I love. It's a very delicious flavor, no sugars, so the best.
So thank you guys for joining me for this short, quick, but to the point video. If I'm red and kind of sweaty, it's because it's been a super hot day in Texas.